Hello everyone and welcome to Hip and Creative. My name is Awilda and I'm so happy to have you here. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a cleaning video. I have a big mess in my living room, dining room and kitchen and decided to conquer it in about 2 days because the batteries died on my camera, so I wasn't able to film it all in one day, and so I had to film it in 2 days. So I hope you do enjoy this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post future videos. So let's get started with the cleaning. So as you can see here, I am grabbing some of these bags and this tombstone because this is Halloween season and we do decorate our front porch and our yard for Halloween, and unfortunately it was very windy over the weekend and some of our decor was knocked over, so I had to bring some of them into the house, so you will see them kind of scattered around in the living room. I was able to bring them back out as I was filming, and those bags there by the door are just bags that I put in my car, so when I go grocery shopping I have them available. So right now I'm just bringing these blankets down to my laundry room and just fluffing up some pillows. This is going to be a quick cleaning video. I am not going to be doing a detailed cleaning, but if you are interested in me doing a deep detailed cleaning, just let me know in the comments down below, because I was thinking of filming a deep cleaning of my kitchen and my cabinets, also my curio, as well as vacuuming and cleaning some hard to reach areas. So if you are interested, like I said, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I just want to quickly mention that I'm using this duster here on my dining room table, and I have to say it is actually really good for me because I have back issues. So even though you see me bending down in this video, I do suffer from a lower disc problem on my back, so bending down and squatting down really is a struggle for me, and in this video I did struggle a little bit with the bending down, but I just wanted to do a full cleaning. As you can see here, I am sweeping my floor. Two reasons. One is because I sometimes prefer sweeping, and I do have a large vacuum, but I really don't want to have to plug it in and use it. And the other reason is I don't have a smaller vacuum, so it's kind of like a twofold. The vacuum I have is too big. It's actually for my carpet downstairs in the family room, but here in the living room I tend to just use the broom, sweep it up in sections and put it away. I am planning on investing in buying one of those Shark vacuums, so if you do have one, let me know how you like it and is it worth getting for hardwood floors, because I know as far as vacuuming like corners, crevices and steps and whatnot, people have used it, but I don't know how they work as far as the hardwood flooring. So just let me know in the comments down below if you do recommend the Shark type vacuums, or at least a cordless vacuum. It doesn't have to be the Shark. As you can see here, I'm just kind of moving things around. These are the pumpkins that I use in my back patio, but because again it was a little windy, I didn't take them out just yet, but I did manage to take them outside the next day, which was perfect weather for it. As you can see here, the dining room wasn't too messy. I mean, it just needed a quick wipe down. I am using it as a makeshift office area for the time being because my husband works from home now, and it just so happens the day that I was cleaning, he was actually working downstairs and I needed to get to my laptop easily, and since he was using the office, I decided to just work from upstairs. Now, as you can see here, I'm moving into the kitchen. I am going to show you some close-ups of how I'm cleaning the kitchen. It's just pretty basic, just wiping things down and putting things away. I did have to film this the second day, so you're going to see in the next clip that I changed my clothes, and this is because this is day 2 and I didn't wear the same outfit. I don't think it's necessary for me to wear the same outfit just to continue filming a video. So yeah, this part here, just wiping down my countertop. I re-wiped it because there was some dirt on it from us having dinner and breakfast, so I was able to redo that. And now here I am just cleaning up my microwave and then moving on to the rest of the kitchen.
Like a cool drop of rain coming down from a clear sky. Yeah. Like a honeybee taking off that really shouldn't fly. Like a snowflake falling down on a summer day. It's just amazing. It's amazing.
Now, I don't know about you, but here at my house, it feels like my stove is always super dirty. I think out of the entire kitchen, my stove is the one thing that I clean on a constant basis. Like, not only do I clean when after I'm making dinner, but then I also clean it as we do dishes. So although it's the thing I clean the most, I find that it's always the dirtiest. So let me know if that's the same thing that happens to you in your home, because sometimes it just drives me crazy how dirty a stove can be.
You're my kind of one of a kind, like a black swan swimming about in a sea of white. Like a bouncer Saturday night acting really nice. That can't be right. Like the most beautiful girl in the world hitting up your phone. It's so wrong. It's a million to one. It really couldn't be, really shouldn't be. You're my kind of one of a kind, yeah. I'm gonna get out there and say.
Now, as you can see here, I'm cleaning up the knobs and the front of my stove. I just like having that clean. I find it super satisfying to know that I'm getting behind the crevices. And I was just curious, do you happen to remove your knobs to really get behind it and clean it up? Or is that just me?
You're my kind of one of a kind. It ain't gonna be. Of a kind. Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down.
Now this mug here is one of my favorite mugs that my husband gave me. It says my favorite night out is a night in, and that is absolutely true. I am definitely a homebody and prefer to be home with my family enjoying each other rather than running around out there in the cold. So with the exception of summer, you will definitely find me in the house in the cold winter months.
And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us know tonight.
Now some of these dishes that I have here are going into the dishwasher, while others I'm just giving them a good scrub down. Even though I like to double clean them, I just find that sometimes I prefer washing them by hand versus putting them in the machine. I don't know what it is. I guess because I grew up not having a dishwasher, I get the satisfaction of dishes done by hands. Yeah, so here I am. I'm just drying out some dishes and just cleaning up the countertops and putting some of the clean dishes away so they're not in the way. And then I'm going to continue with the rest of the dishes and cleaning out the sink.
Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us know tonight.
I also wanted to quickly mention that I did wipe down the front of the trash can, and my trash was full, so my husband did bring it down, but unfortunately my battery was dying on my camera, so I did not record that. Opted instead to just show you the after so you can see a clean kitchen. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and it motivated you and inspired you to clean a section in your home. If you did like this video, make sure to leave me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos when I post them. Until next time guys, I hope you all have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!